Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to get your unpublished Facebook page back. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. First of all, you would like to determine why your page was unpublished. If you unpublish, as an example, the page yourself, you can open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com if you're using, as an example, a PC, then switch to your page. So here, just go as an example to pages and go to the page that you unpublished. And then you can look for page visibility or page status. If the page isn't published, you can simply change it back to published and save your changes. But if your page wasn't published by Meta, you will usually receive a notification or see a message in the page quality or your support inbox explaining the reason. For example, let's just say I am on this page. Let me just go and switch to it. So from here, I will definitely find a notification that's saying all my pages is unpublished. Normally, on that notification itself, if the option is available, you will find a request review or appeal option. From there, you can follow the instructions provided and also provide any requested information and submit your review. Meta will review your appeal and notify you for the decisions taken. If you can't find the notification or you delete it by mistake, you can go to this list panel, click on settings. From here, click on Facebook Help Center. They'll take you here. So on this list panel, click on reporting and choose report a problem with Facebook. And from here, just scroll down and click on report a problem. And from here again, they will show you like how to report a problem. So basically it's by clicking on your profile picture, clicking on help and support, clicking on report a problem. And from here, an example, you can include the complete logs and diagnosis of your report. So make sure to include this or not, it's up to you. And basically just go and appeal or explain the details, add any pictures and any relevant details explaining why your page wasn't published, especially if you know for sure an example that is was unpublished by a mistake. Of course, you can do that if you didn't find the notification. If you find the notification, that they will send you once they publish your page, you'll find requests or appeal or review requests or appeal from there, so you don't have to do all of that if you didn't miss it or you didn't delete it by mistake. So yeah, that's will be for me in this video. If you find this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.